Alright, today I'm gonna try load the bike onto the van. There. So got it out, it's gonna be really heavy. To try to do it on your own, hey, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but hey, okay. Here goes nothing. Alright, let's actually put the camera there. Let's have a go at this. Now I just need to strap it up. So today I just show you how to strap up a motorcycle on the back of a van or a truck or anything like that if you haven't got all the right gears and all them things. The way I'm going to show you it won't fall or anything, and you only need three straps and a secure point on your vehicle. Okay, so the first thing you need some straps or ropes or whatever you need to do. So here we go. I've got some ropes, straps, whatever you got. I've got some down there, and I'll make an anchoring point just on the hair, and I'm just going to use this little anchoring point here. I also got one here and one there. So first thing you need to do is strap the front. So I've anchored this one on the hip, and all you need to do is to get your strap up underneath your front forks, like so. Get it up in there. You can see it's coming through just there. I'm using one hand at the moment, so sorry. Yeah, got it. And then bring it back on itself. Get it all the way through. Sorry, the video is a little bit dodgy because I'm trying to use one hand and trying to show you at the same time. So all I'm doing is pulling the strap through, and this cross member just here, this one here, can you see this one? That's where I'm gonna anchor it down on. Okay, so here we go. Get it through here. See? So now I got it underneath there, and I'm gonna go down with it now. The reason why I put this here because it's like it's a cloth shirt, because I don't want it to damage the fairing on the bike. So that's why I've got it there. So I'm just gonna push this through. I hope you can see this because it's one hand. There you go. So I got it through. So there you go. So I got it from anchored onto there, up underneath here. Take it over this cross member, the cross member in there, and get it all through the other side, just underneath here. So what I'm gonna do now is get another ratchet strap, and I'm gonna strap it to. I'm gonna just strap it to here. So now I got to this stage where I'm gonna put it through the ratchet strap. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands to do this. I don't know if I could set the camera that you could see. Okay, so I'm gonna put it through here and bring it back on itself. Okay, let's have a look if I can do it. I hope you can see that. Okay, hope you can see that because I don't know. So I always get the camera. I always get it in. Then there you go. So get it in and back on itself here, like so. There you go, and just pull it. And that's the front. It's gonna be ratchet down. So I'm gonna ratchet the front now. Hold it tight and just ratchet that a bit down. So to do the back now, all you do, I've got anchor point there, and all I'm gonna do is, and I've anchored around the foot peg. Careful not to break it as well. And you're just gonna anchor one from here to there. So now I've done all of this. What I normally try to do as well is put a little rag around whatever point I'm gonna put it over, because I don't want my bike scratching. So that's why I put that piece of rag just over the back foot peg, the pillion foot peg. And now I'm just gonna ratchet it down onto